Hi, this is Sean Warren with ServiceMaster Elite. We want to thank you for taking the time to watch our video. We just wanted to give everybody a quick showing of some of the tools that we use when we come out to evaluate a water loss. One of the primary tools that you guys are going to see us use is actually going to be our moisture meter. These do come in many different sizes and shapes. We tend to use the protometers. This judges the amount of moisture inside the material. So when we hold it against the wall, you're actually going to see that we have absolutely no reading. This is a dry material. We can judge the amount of the moisture through the electrical conductivity. So when I hold this on myself, you can tell that we have an elevated moisture content of 999, which is actually 99.9% of the material being saturated. So when we go on to evaluate a job, we don't use our senses such as sight and feeling. We actually use the science. Please make sure to stay tuned to our channel and make sure to check out some of our other videos where we'll cover some of the other equipment that we use within our inspection statuses, such as our hammer probes, our hygrometers that tell us our relative humidity, measuring tapes, and many other gadgets that we'll get into down the road. Thanks a lot. Make sure to keep checking back in.